Okay, let's move on to the today's session. Let me share my screen. Yeah, sir, I am audible. My voice is clear.
Yes, Arun, it's clear.
Yeah, yeah, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Previously, we discussed about that. What is blockchain? How we can use block, blockchain use cases we discussed. But in real time, how we can use that blockchains? For example, if some guys are in a CSE, IT, and then EC department, you guys creating some IoT applications or something like Java application or Python application, but how the real-time user will understand your codes by using UIs. So that is called in blockchain DApp developers. DApp developers means decentralized application developers. The developers will use maximum these kind of tools only for Ethereum, and then the same like you for Java and then Python. You guys are using PyCharm, Atom, VS Code, Eclipse kind of tools you are using, but same thing, but small difference in the tools. Like for Java, you guys are using SDK, Java SDK for Java virtual machine, but here there is a library support in Solidity that we are going to use. Let me start first. Why we are using these tools? These tools are used for useful for DApp developers for testing. Why? Because if you make a application in mainnet, we need to buy a mainnet coins like one Ethereum, two Ethereum. But one Ethereum, two Ethereum is a more cost in our. That's why they are created testnet. We can play with that testnet, or else we can play with our virtual testnet in our local. That's why the DApp developers using many tools like Geth and then Truffle, Kanachi. These kind of tools they are using. We will see that one by one how we can use that tools. Then next, Geth. This is one mostly useful in Ethereum. You can start the Geth by for your private net, or else you can use the public net, or else you can use that like what is that main net by specifying that net ID. Like I will show that. You can see that Geth. This is for data directory. It will download the entire blockchain data into this directory, and then if I am specifying as a testnet, it will download. It will work as a testnet. If I'm specifying as a mainnet, it will work as a mainnet. Synchronized mode fast, and then synchronized mode fast means it will download the data by using your entire resources. And then catchy means this node will use this much of RAM usage only. That's why we are specifying here. And then we are enabling the RPC calls. RPC calls means remote procedure calls. I will show that how the remote procedure call is okay. And then I am specifying that RPC port like 8545 cross domain origin like any applications we need to use this URL means we need to allow all the applications, and then we are enabling that API. What are the API we can use like Web3 txpool, net, eth, this these kind of things. This is what I scheduled in server. While the get is stopped, it will automatically restart in our server. And then let me show the data directly. This is the data directory for Git. That is what I mentioned in that Granja. If you are opening this, in this there is something like, wait, I will open this. You can see that Git, APC, history, keystore, testnet. If I am moving to testnet, in this there is a chain data. Chain data means your entire blockchain data, and then is dash what are the nodes is running here. You can see that, and then I mentioned in the previous session what is the PS. Let me show that PS. Yeah. Here I am mentioning that maximum peer count is 50. Peer count is like I started Git. Somebody also started the Git means that is, if someone starting means that is also one peer. This is how the each nodes get connected. It's like you guys know that about torrent architecture. I think so. Yeah. About Git. In this there is a I shown that RPC how we are creating a RPC in Git. Then interactive console that is not connecting. This is the interactive console. In this you can check admin.ps. Yeah, you can see the PS. What are the PS connected? This is the IP for that peer. You can see that. Let me check admin.ps.count. This is JavaScript. As of now, 37 peers are connected with our node. This is the peers I explained in the previous session. Like, let me open that. peer A, peer B, peer C. If I modified anything in my node, the peers does not connect with my node. That is what blockchain is doing. Then what else? The command line operations it come like with dot get block. Mm, will give first block if you are entering zero zeroth block. What number of blocks you need and means if you are entering like eth dot get block, it will return as a block. These kind of command lines are explained in upcoming sessions. Don't confuse with that. I am just explaining this word how the command line is working in a. Uh, Anybody have a doubt in this session? I explained how we can configure Git, how we can connect with a testnet and then mainnet and then a private net. If anybody have a doubt,
Yes, sir, we understood somewhat. Literally, we understood.
okay. In this session we explained right PS, right? PSA, PSB, PSC. The same way, somebody also created our their node. Like if you are created a one node means your node will be a peer D, PS E, peer F. It will become incrementally. The thing I displayed here, this is the one node, and then this is another one node. One person asked yesterday like IP. You can IP. You can see that IP. This IP connected with my peer and then this peer. So totally peer count is like 37. As of now, the peer count is 37. Don't confuse with this. This peer is like this peer. Like consider like this. Yesterday I explained right. This is my node also one peer. If I am modifying that data like this is my data directory. In that I am switching into testnet. If you are starting a mainnet, it will create one more folder for a mainnet. Inside the folder it will download entire blockchain data like this chain data. If I am moving chain data, yeah, see up to level db. This is called dot ltk is a level db. This is the one kind of db. These data will synchronize in every nodes, every testnet node. If I am this file, my node will get stopped. Why? Because it will vary from other nodes. So the blockchain will kick out my and then we need to clear all the blocks. And then we need to start from zeroth block to as of now what is the block number in our option. From 0 to this much of blocks we need to download. This will 1 week or 2 weeks time for based on internet. And then what else? How to install get, yeah, let me come to the point. Any GitHub directory. First you need Node.js, like this is the GitHub URL. Just go to this page and then there is the install instructions. For Linux, for Windows, they are giving different things. If you are using Linux, in Linux, which distribution you are using, like Arch Linux or Ubuntu or a Fedora or just you need to do these installations. Once you're done, your get is ready. But make sure you are not connecting to any mainnet or testnet. If you are connecting means your internet will lose. Like it will download GBs. This is like how much DBs? 133 GB is downloaded. So make sure you are creating a private. Yesterday you asked like how we can start a private cryptocurrency. You can use the Geth to start a private cryptocurrency also. Any doubts? Any other doubts for regarding Geth? Just try that how we can start a private node in your machine. Then you can figure out how this is working. This kind of tools will upgradable. That's why not added in a slide. Just added like Git and then Git regarding why we need Git. That's why I created these kind of tools will get upgradable. Like if you can see, last updated is 23 days also, 8 days also they are updating. Each and every day they are updating the tools. It's like enhancements they are doing. Don't just learn it how it is working, and then don't mug up it. Like if you're mug upping means after 2 months or 3 months, this will entirely change. But if you are thinking like logical wise, you can do if they are modifying whatever it's. And then any doubts on get any others? If you get confused, let me know. I will explain again also. I'm sending that get command for your reference. Once you guys are installed get, just enter this command. Like just like data directory, it will take default. You no need to mention the data directory. Okay, use that second command for you. If you are doing that, that in your home folder it will create like a dot ethereum, and then the rest of files it will be start created. Let's try it in your home after this session. If you are feel any errors or anything,
Once again,
just
tell me how to install Get, sir. Kindly tell me you specified the website and how I have to download, sir.
in this page you can see that installation instructions. Just navigate. Which OS you are using? Windows or Linux or
10
Mac?
Windows.
Windows. Okay. Yeah. There is on get exe will be there. Just move to downloads. It will automatically download your exe. make sure if you are mentioning that as testnet, it will download the entire Robston. Okay, sure that here the documentation also there. You can start how the JSON RPC like RPC is running, how we can start a private net, all the things they are explaining. This documentations. Let me share the documentations also. Private network also they are giving a solution like just try these things with your local. If you feel any errors, let me know in the next session. Like next means next day sections. After 4 o'clock, you can try this get in your local. It will take time for the download and then installations. Then you need to understand the command lines. After only you can start working on that get. Okay. Anything else? Shall we move next? Get. Once you added that get, you just add it into your MetaMask also. Here you can add customer PC and then your get URL here. What point is doing? Yeah, nothing. Just what is get? I am just explained why we need to use get. Get is like connecting. This is like a peer. You are going to start a peer like previous session I explained. Peer A, peer B means we are going to create one peer. That is what the use of get. How we can create means just I pasted that get commands in that. If I mention testnet means it will connect with our Robston. If you mention like mainnet, it will connect with our Ethereum mainnet. Other things like RPC mode, remote procedure mode, I enabled. What are the APIs like? I need to use Web3 functionality, TXPO, net, and then ETH. So I enabled. And then RPC addresses also I mentioned. 00 means we can access globally. Where we can download that get means we share that URL for Ethereum download. Here you can download for your environment like Mac OS or Linux or Windows. You can download it from here. And then how we can use entire document is here like how we can use get, what is in a get, JSON RPC APIs for DApp developers. Also he is giving examples like packages. Just this is comes under only 10 pages I think so. Don't mug a bit, just learn it. Why? Because this documentation is not static one, modify in every month. That is what I explained. Yeah, this is yeah. In this, if you are mention hyphen testnet means it will connect with your Robston. In this, if you remove domains, it will connect mainnet also. You need to mention testnet or else mainnet. It will connect that end the documentation we are giving. I think so. Not here.
I want to take the development tools also when I am running the exe file.
Yeah, yes. While running the exe file, it will install the Git. After that,
Get,
you can access.
so get and development tools. If I want to check both the things, get and development tools.
I'm not sure about the Windows, but if you are installed your Git, like in that, I just enter Git. What is the command? Like, hmm, if I am entering like testnet, it will connect with my testnet. That's all. Just try to open your command format and then try to access Git. While running your exe, what it is giving an output? What is the output it is giving? If you are running empty Git, it will run like this. This is what giving in Windows. Just confirm. This is started. Kind of output will give, but it will download entire data, blockchain data. Pair count is one. Looking for a peers. While running this in Linux, it will download in this path dot ethereum get data. If you want to see that in ethereum, you can see that testnet cd testnet. The chain data will be present. If I am running like get iPhone magnet hyphen option means it will connect to option, or else you can use hyphen testnet also. If you are mentioning your network ID also, it will work. Like network ID, yesterday I shown that option means 3, mainnet means 1. Your data directory will be Ethereum. This dot Ethereum will create on Linux. But Windows, I am not sure about that. Windows. You can see the entire commands. What are the things you can enable? Mining also you can do with Git. This is starting like without pooling. You are not going to touch with any poolers. You are going to create a separate mining with this Git in your local. Thing else? Chain ID is 1. This is connecting mainnet. Mining in private net. You can do it in you can do a mining in a private net, test net, and then mainnet also. For example, this is Ethereum testnet or option. In this also that some miners is there. Like the miners are run by testnet owners. The miners also getting rewards. You can see that the miners also getting rewards every ethers. Like if you are seeing that block, the miners is getting reward. Okay, mine block reward. Without miners, the blockchain is nothing. That is what I will say frankly. Every blockchain, the miners is needed. We are switching into mainnet, Etherscan mainnet. You can see that blocks. The block reward is there. If you are starting a private net, you need to start your own miners. Any default number of nodes in each PS. PS is a node. You are confusing with that words. PS and nodes. PS means if you are like, let's say this is the peer A, this is the peer B, this is the peer C. I just uh, if I am starting in my laptop, this is also one peer. Started P2P network. This is also like started P2P network. Understand? And then we can move next slides. We need to see many tools in this. Okay, Solidity. Previous session I explained like Java using JVM for compiling that, codes, but in Ethereum there is a EVM like Ethereum Virtual Machine. The Ethereum Virtual Machine we need to write the codes in Solidity language only. If you are writing a Solidity code, it will convert it into like a bytes code by using EVM, and then that byte codes will be deployed into blockchain. This is what happening in the EVM. For Solidity documents, we are going to. I am not adding any Solidity regarding documents in slides. Why? Because the Solidity also have a versioning. You can see that this Solidity document also will get updated by every month, every weeks. So just understand the Solidity concepts and then keep learning. If you are started learning Solidity, if you are learning something, you need to learn again and again. If version is changing, for example, for if you are in a 0.70 but we started in a 0.46 itself, but lot of versions are there created. The compilers also will get upgraded. So just understand the concept in Solidity, and then you try to make the use of latest library, how the concepts will work. That is what we need to do. This is like Java, Python kind of language, and then this is also will support like inheritance abstract class that we can see in further classes. And then in this, any doubt Solidity regarding this is the language. This is also will accept OOPS concepts. This is same like Java. Don't confuse. The same like Java. I will explain in further classes regarding Solidity. But this is the main. Sorry. This is the main thing. We need to study for Ethereum. And then remix. While typing a Solidity program, you need to play with that remix. You can just remix.ethereum.org. Just try to open this. If you are opening, it will shows like. Then if you are clicking environment like Solidity, that Solidity there is a lot of compilers is there. Which compiler you are going to write a code? Just select the compiler and then which language. Solidity. As of now, I know Solidity only, but that in future they can add multiple languages support in Ethereum also. Why? Because they are converting into like bytes only, byte code only. So any languages they can convert into byte codes. The Ethereum versions like Byzantium, I think the first session Mr. Balaji sir will explain that Byzantium, what is Byzantium, and then these compilers details. And then for this compiler, it will automatically take that compiler version. You don't worry about it. And then while type any contracts, it will do autocomplete. Enable optimization means it will optimize your code, like if there is extra spaces or extra contents is there means this will compress your code. This is the same like every code codes, like hiding as warnings. In this also there is a environments, like JavaScript environments means this is for testing environment. They are giving by default 100 address ether for every addresses. So you can play with these addresses, and then the gas limit you are going to set. Then value means if you want to pay ether in contract level, you just select ether, and then you want to enter ether value. This kind of simulations I will show in on further sessions, but I will explain what is this. And then if you want to enter V, we can enter a V values. And then if you want to connect your injected Web3, just click. It will open the MetaMask, and then you can select your address, and then next it will connect it to Solidity Remix ID. If you want to create a file, create like mm, files.sol. The Solidity files are created with extension of .sol. If you type anything, you can type. It will be autocomplete. Also, it will be support. And then this is same like IDs like Eclipse and then Visual Studio Code like. But here you can play with that contract calls by using. Here you can select the contract. You can play with that contracts. This is why we are using. If any is already developers will use Remix only for the writing of contracts. Small contracts we can use Remix only. Then next, Ganachi CLI. This is for you are using Geth for running a node. This is also for development purpose we are going to use. Why means this will create a separate node, and then this will give a test coins. Like I will show that. First we need to download Ganachi. From here you can download that Ganachi for your. Here they are giving like for exe like Windows, Linux, Mac, all the OSs they are giving. I already downloaded this tool. You can also try to download and then try to run this. I already downloaded. Let me open that. Yeah, Ganachi client. I am starting. Just try to download this. This won't take more than 100 MB. I think. Yeah. What is that? Are Ganachi and MetaMask enough for creating a Ethereum nodes? MetaMask is a wallet. MetaMask is wallet, not nodes. Ganache and Geth is used for creating up nodes, but Ganache for development purpose only. But Geth you can use for creating Ethereum nodes. Understand? Ganache only for development purpose. MetaMask is a wallet. If you want to start your own node, you need to use Geth. Yeah. Here there is a workspace. I already created, like, let me do one thing. I am going to create Task account again. Galaxy space. I don't know Galaxy space.
பேங்கிங் ஃப்ராடுகளை தவிர்க்கவும். ஏர்டெல் ஒருபோதும் உங்கள் ஓடிபியை ஷேர் செய்யவோ அல்லது உங்கள் அக்கவுண்டில் The person you are calling is currently busy. Please call again later. நீங்கள் அழைக்கும் நபர் தற்போது பிஸியாக இருக்கிறார். தயவு செய்து சிறிது நேரம் கழித்து மீண்டும் அழைக்கவும். आपके व्यक्ति से संपर्क
This is my seed phase.
वो अभी व्यस्त है. कृपया थोड़ी देर बाद
I'm just going to creating a new workspace. Like this. Server, like I am going to run. Host name. As of now, I am running local. Network ID will be 5777. If you are entering one means that is Ethereum mainnet, two means Robston. So you need to use Unique one for your node, and then account addresses and keys. If you have a existing your mnemonic, just enter, and then chain gas limit, maximum gas amount you can set like whatever you are going to use. I am using default. That's it. I'm going to save the workspace. In this there is 100 ether they are giving. The same IP I am going to use. Let me add this IP in network. IP colon. This is my port which I used created here. Okay. Mining also auto mining. If I do any transaction, it will do auto mining. Current block is 0. So this is the Genesis block. And then gas limit, gas price is this much I allowed. Workspace is test. And then let me add IP. Network name, test node, FTP, colon. Chain ID is I'm giving optional. Go to rail. Yeah, you can get 100 Ethereum in 0x741. You can see that 0x741. Understand, or I need to repeat this same for everyone? Yeah. Just try to download that raffle from here, then let me know. Yeah, Ganache installed. if anyone is pending for installing Kanachi, just click the exe and then install into your system. Once you are installed, let me do. To remove this. Once you are downloaded, it will create a app image in Linux. I think in Windows it will create a one application. Just try to open that. Yeah, it will show like this window. I already created this one. I am deleting. Okay. I opened too many. Yeah. In this there is only one. If you are going to order open this window, I want to know this Ganachi window. Is there anyone facing issue opening the Ganachi? Yeah, okay. Uh, not app image. You are using Linux or Windows? Yeah, that's good. While download it, just right click, properties, permissions. There is a execute function is there. This is for Linux user only. Just click allow executing files as a program. Just download this exe. Just download this exe. Which architecture your OS like 64 or 32-bit. If you are 64, just download 64. Just this one is enough. Or another 62 or the 64 or 32. Just download this exe and then make install. 2 hours to download. That depends upon your internet. Let's say this is like 137 MB only. How to create private chain? You can also create a private chain. With Get also you can create. This is just for a development purpose. Don't confuse with that node. While running this, you can start a node in your local. This is also same like it says no application installed for app image bundle. No, it will run obviously. Yeah, okay, hold on, Shivalakshmi. That Prasad is facing some issues. It says no application installed for app image bundle. Which Linux distribution you are using? Ubuntu or some other? Yeah, Ubuntu. Which version? 16 or 18 or 19 or 20? Yeah, I'm also using 20 only. Genome console is there. I'm also using 20. Just download this app image, then go to the directory, right click on this. There is a property, permission. Here there is a execute is there. Just click allow executing the files as a program. Then just right click and then run. You can able to run. Okay, any others facing an issue? Okay, move on the session because we have a lot of tools. We need to see that. We got it. Yeah, thank you. Once you get the screen, just new workspace. Okay, just enter your workspace like I am entering test. Server like this is like local. This is my IP. This is like it will public home. I'm just clicking. I am entering this port number 7545. Network ID I can modify like 5778 also, but I am just taking as a okay, I am modifying. Auto mine. If I am disable this, no transaction will be performed in this Ganachi. That's why you can see the wording. Transactions process transaction instantaneously. That's why the every node have a mining, and then I am going to place my I'm going to extract my seed traces. I'm just copying my seed traces from MetaMask. I'm going to place. Then I'm checking chain ID. Loop back sudo means where it is asking. Which window you are asking? Look back. Server. Yeah, host name is like local. This is a local 127.1.0.0.1. It is like local host. Local host, or if you want to enter as a public one, you can make it as a 00. If you want to be your network only, you can use like this. But as of now, I'm using localhost. It is asking the file name. File name, where it is asking the file name? Here, just enter the workspace number. Where you are asking the file name? Can you clarify that? It is asking file name. Where? Install Mogul. Okay, let's move on. This is not default. You can modify by yourself also in that server. Just enter. I am enter like 578. You can also modify. I am going to enter like 14. Also, I can enter. This is network ID for your. If you are starting a cryptocurrency, you need a network ID. If Option also have a network ID, and then mainnet also have a network ID. So that you, if you are starting any cryptocurrency, just create like network ID for your unique network ID for your cryptocurrency. And then I placed my seed phrase. Then I am going to chain ID. This is you can set like how much it will be maximum per block. How much gas we can set. Port number you can modify anything. That won't be a problem in Truffle. Sorry, this Kanachi. That won't be a problem. Okay, see. Once done, and then save the workspace. It will load entire balances, and then you created one network IP is there. Just copy this. Your network ID is 14. Then just move to your MetaMask. I'm going to remove folder one. I'm going to delete this. I am going to add one text. No. Then I am adding your HTTP colon double slash. Which port number you are giving, that port number you need to put here. Chain ID is optional. If you want to enter, you can enter. Otherwise, you can leave it as a blank. Okay, my test Kanachi node is added. Just closing. My account is showing 100 Ether. If I am creating another account, going to that account also showing 100 Ether. If I am doing any transaction within this account, like transfer between my account, one account to another account, like 1 Ether. Next, next. Transaction is pending. Here you can see the transactions. Current block is one block is added. You can see that one block is added, and then mined. You can see the weddings mined on which state, and then in this block only one transactions. You can simulate that with this Ganachi for transactions, so you can identify how transaction is performed. This is the transaction. Okay. Include repeat from account. Okay. Nothing. Your created workspace. Okay. That workspace will give test ether like 100 ethers for every account. You need to can't. This is like one node, local testnet node. Just copy this IP, that RPC server IP, and then move to yeah. Okay. This is what I started. Local development node. This node I started like mining also, and then as of now block number is 1. Previously I made one transaction, so the block number is getting increased. So if I am going to see the same thing in my wallet, like my MetaMask is, I am going to my MetaMask search for, I am going to remove old one. Wait, let me remove that. I am removed. Okay,
Sir, kindly
that's all.
repeat from the account tab and
Account means creating a workspace or
workspace, sir, not this.
from workspace itself you are asking.
Yeah,
Okay, let me log out. Okay, I'm going to delete my older one. I need a seed face for loading my addresses here. That's why I am taking my seed face in MetaMask settings. Here you can see security and privacy, wallet seed face. And then I am going to retrieve my wallet seed face. Why?
sir,
Because
if you have stored, sir,
yesterday I not stored that seed face, so I am taking the seed face from MetaMask itself.
okay,
Yeah, yesterday I deleted that file, so I am copying my. This is what my seed face. If in your MetaMask also you can retrieve your seed face. I'm just copying that seed face, new face. In that I'm creating a workspace name test. and then server. This is localhost. I am keeping that same. I'm going to modify my port number like my understanding like 7888 also. Network ID I am keeping like 55. You can change by yourself. This is your wishes. And then I am entering. Why I am loading this my seed traces here means I need to load balances for my MetaMask accounts. These accounts. That way I am loading in testnet node. So the testnet will give a 100 balance in every account in that wallet. Okay, I'm going to chain. The chain maximum block size is they are defining.
So when we are creating a server, it is showing local host along with the loopback something. It's showing
Where it is
loopback
showing.
pseudo interface. When we are creating, you showed me the local server, but in 127.00.1, it is showing
Okay.
loopback pseudo interface one.
Yeah, you can use
That,
that.
okay, sir.
Or else you can use all interface also. No worries. Loopback means that is your LAN regarding that mentions they were doing. Like if you are connected with LAN, your college LAN or something, it will show the loopback, some kind of things. I think you are
Yes,
using Windows.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why it is showing. And then accounts, I am loaded my wallet chain. This is the maximum gas price, gas limit for every block. Each block, we are setting the gas limit and gas price. In advance, nothing. And then I am clicking save workspace. It will load at 100 balances. Previous thing I deleted. That's why the block is 0. And then nothing transactions, nothing blocks. This is Genesis block. Okay,
So where we have to give the phrase, sir?
that we are already crossed. Wait, I will show. So that accounts and keys is there, no? In this tab, there is one input box is there. That input box already some default seed faces filled. You need to replace that your seed faces. Understand? And then just copy this localhost your up to your port number. Just go to MetaMask, add customer PC. Network name is Test Kanachi or whatever you want. You can enter that name. Then enter HTTP colon double slash, and then you can enter your chain ID or else that is not needed, and then click. It will show the 100 balance, and then if you are creating another account, it will show the 100 balances. If you are doing a transaction with this Kanachi, you can perform within these accounts like entering one, going to transfer with my Kanachi accounts. I transfer. So you can see the current block. Block one is created. One means one transaction I did. In MetaMask, I did one transaction. That's why that block is getting created. Okay. And then you can see the transactions. The transaction is here. Mined block is one. The first block is mined. If you can see the transaction hash. And then from address to address, gas used, then value is in V only, not Ethereum. So in blockchain side, they won't give like one Ethereum. It will represent in like V only. You can see that. 1 ether equal to this much of V. Okay. All are did up to transactions between Ganache accounts. Just try it in yourself. If you are facing block not created, sir, still showing 0. Have you tried that transaction in a MetaMask? Now only pasting local server. Oh, just place that custom RPC and then see the balances. 100 is there or not. Insufficient fund. Have you placed your seed faces? If you are placing your seed faces means it will show, definitely it will show the balance here. Yeah, that's why you are not getting balance. You have to place your seed faces in a. Let me show that 1 second for you guys. Just, oh god, delta change. Okay, switch. I'm going to delete the test. Just watch carefully. After that, you can try. I'm going to copy my seed face here. Security and privacy settings, security and privacy, table speed seed face, and then I am entering my password. Okay, so it will give my seed face. Why? Because I forget my seed faces. Yesterday I removed that typed file, text files. That's why I am copying from MetaMask. And then create new workspace, Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum. I am click here. Workspace name is there. Just enter test or whatever you can enter. Test, yes, whatever. And then server. Server means this is localhost. This is your IP. This is the all interface, like you can access in your college all the LANs. I'm just clicking here. You can edit your port number like 788 or 789. Network ID you can enter by your currency. If this is like you are creating own crypto, this is not it. You can name it as like your names also. If you are entering 56 is my cryptocurrency, you can say that. And then accounts and keys is there. In this, the mnemonic is there. Just remove that and then place your mnemonic. Okay, got it? Okay, yeah. And then chain. This is for gas limit for each block's transactions. Okay, if you are creating a block, every block have some limits that you are defining here, and then so, saving a workspace, and then copying this IP, then moving to the MetaMask. This is what I already created. Let me add Ganachi test node 2. I'm entering http // okay, let's save it. It will show 100 Ethereum. Have you reached up to this showing 100 Ethereum? If you are adding adding symbol like, wait, let me show that. Let me add. This node is not 20%. Let me delete this. You can see my name instead of Ethereum. Okay. Did you understand? This is my cryptocurrency. Let's say this is my cryptocurrency. If I am showing Arun, 100 Arun I have. This is what happening in blockchain. Understand? Shall we move on next? Or else if you have a doubts in this? Any doubts? You guys are understand or not? Just ping me in the chat. That's why I can understand. Why? Because I am moving with only practicals only. That's why
Sir,
I can.
I have a doubt, sir.
No. Yeah.
Actually, I got held up in MetaMask. That when actually,
Okay.
just by selecting an option or select the main Ethereum.
Okay.
Now, you told me that after copying the ID from there, what is
Hmm.
the next step exactly we have to do? Sir?
Where you are copying that from Ganachi? You just copy that
Yeah,
IP.
yeah.
Just
The
copy that
basic,
IP is enough. Just copy that IP
yeah. I did.
and then let me show it. You are in Robson, right? Yes or no?
Unknowingly,
Just
I
click.
did that main Ethereum.
Just click custom RPC and then you can name it as some network name. Then place your IP http colon double slash.
Should we select any account before that under option?
Then you are
Account.
creating a new account or is it already existing, sir?
It is already existing. You are loading the 100 Ethereum for already existing account only, right? You are loading your seed phase in Ganachi. So the Ganachi will assign 100 counts in every account.
Network name, whether we have to create network name.
Yeah, you can name it as like a
Yeah.
Robson or something that is already there. You can create like something. And then symbol means by default it will take ETH. Now you are created one crypto network, so you can name it as your crypto name, your name also. If I am entering Arun, the currency count will be show Arun 100 Arun. This is my currency. It's like my crypto. Got in, and then try to transfer within this account, and then you can see the transaction in Ganachi. Just try to transfer second account, and then just try to send to Arun, and then confirm. The same thing. Just move to here. Just click block. You can see the block, and then transaction also. As of now, we are running auto mining. This will do auto mining. Mining also this Ganachi will do. This is for the development purpose. This is not for a production. This is just for a development purpose. Okay, we need to move on other things. Yeah, we need to move other things. And then Truffle. Truffle is another one framework. This is also for developing contracts and then testing the contracts. Like you can see that. Yeah, you can see that for Truffle you need to install Node.js. After that you can able to do the installations. npm install Truffle. How to install Node.js means Node.js. Move to this site, and then based on your environment you can download your Node.js package. This is for Node.js downloading. This is for Truffle. Okay. With this, I will show some demo on next further sessions. Next, move on this other frameworks. MetaMask, we already discussed lot of things. This is for using if we develop any DApps. This is the interface between our application and then blockchain. This is more useful. Yesterday I shown demo like transfer and then how we can fetch the data. I will share the file with Condenser, and you can just click and run that file. Just install that Chrome browser extension like Chrome server extension. Yeah, just install this server. Install this Chrome server. Once you install, it will open like it's like add-on. Once you install, it will show your application list like this. Let me wait for that. And then run that file in server mode. Yeah, this is the open, and then choose folder. Here I created that symbol file. I am selecting this directory, and then I am starting this. It is asking for connection MetaMask. I'm selecting two accounts. Okay, okay. Yeah, you can see that zeroth block, first block, second block. Why? Because in Kanachi only one block is there. That's why it is not showing second block. And then you can perform the ether transactions. You can, but just try with yourself. Just try to run like this. Does not open that folder. Like this is a simple file. If you try to open that HTML file directly into web page, that does not work. That MetaMask is not work. That's why. If you are running like just opening HTML file, the MetaMask does not inject any JS. If you are running like server, it will inject the entire JavaScript code into web page. Okay, that's all. And then the parity also like a get, but maximum we are not using parity. But if you have a interest, just click like parity. Parity also like for a get starting a node. Here all the documentations also they are giving. Just refer these sites for starting a parity node. Okay, the same like Git. And then Web3.js, this is for interface between your application, web applications or mobile applications to blockchain. Like Web3.js is a JS call, it will do a request to your Ethereum network, and then Ethereum provider, like if you are giving direct RPC URLs like my like Ganachi, this RPC URL, or else if you are using a MetaMask, this will call the MetaMask. The MetaMask will initiate the transaction to the Ethereum blockchain. Infura, this is for bypassing every node. The Infura is like IPFS. You can see the wording Infura, the gateway they are providing for every Ethereum node. If you want to do a transaction, you need a IP like RPC URL. Here they are providing RPC URLs. Infura. Infura.io. Just try to sign up. Like you need to enter your mail ID, passwords. So I use temporary mails for this. Clear this because I already created. Yeah, just copying. Just registered for. It will give that yeah, verification mail. Just click this. I'm going to create like yeah, they are giving endpoints like some persons asked we need to use IPs. They are giving that by default. You can use this URLs for performing a transactions. That I will explain how we can do with this Infura. Okay, I just share this for Infura. Okay, anything else from me? That's all. I think this is faster session. I think so. Why? Because we need to do all the things in a practical one. Just try this in your free time. If you have any issues, just contact Kanan sir or else just mail me in my mail. Just mail me. That's all. I will help you. Yeah. This will help for simulating that blockchain to students. That's why I'm explaining that Ganachi in deeply. If you are simulating that Ganachi, you can understand how blocks are creating, how accounts are creating, how we can create a network. That's why I explained deeply in Ganachi. This is the development purpose only. You can use Ganachi. If you want to start a node, you need to use Git.